Bayede igama ngulungile Mantshila. And right now, as I have posted and I've actually let you guys know what there's a podcast that is coming, I'd just love to say, please stay patient with me, as let's say actually takes a bit of time. Spiritual things are not as easy as just waking up and saying this is what we're doing. It has to come from Batim Dim. God has to actually, our ancestors have to actually align and say now is the time for us to actually give you the content. So there's a lot that I've been actually just working on with my team, with Abatandas, with Abokoko. So there's so much that is coming through, and I hope you're going to actually just kind of find it informative. I hope you're going to just kind of like it, the way we're actually presenting it to you. So for that, Kere, thank you so much for being patient. I just hope just a little bit, hold on just a little bit, because we are almost there. We'll also be having a Batandazi, which I think that also on its own is going to just bring different dynamics into the equation. So just to give also others the opportunity to be part of what we do. So thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you do subscribe. I hope you do follow from TikTok, YouTube. Thank you so much, and I hope you love this. Bayede Makhosini from me, Tanaga Mantshila. Get it.